Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm going to tell you a bit about blue light rays.
Hi, my name is Diana Early.
Hi, my name is Lexi, and I'll be sharing some of the effects of blue light on our health and overall well being.
Do you remember learning about the color spectrum in science class? We all learned about how color is just a perception of the way light reflects off of objects and how there are different wavelengths of light. But we were never taught about how these different lights can affect our health. This is mainly due to the fact that studies on these lights have not had much research. But with the rise in popularity of light treatments, there have been much more studies done on these lights and how they affect us.
If you remember from your middle school science class, blue light is the shortest wavelength within the white light spectrum, and it also produces the most energy. Blue light can be found everywhere and is even found coming from the sun. This is because gases and particles in Earth's atmosphere scatter sunlight in all directions. Blue light is scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time. Blue light can also be found in artificial technology, such as televisions, laptops, phones, and many other examples. This means that blue light affects everyone in society today, and many have taken into account some of the harmful effects blue light may have.
Nearly 100% of blue light rays reach the retina, as compared to less than 1% of UV rays. Because so much of this light reaches our retina, it can have a vast impact on our ocular health and brain function. Some of these negative effects include reduced melatonin production, and raising one's risk for severe eye disease. This causes concerns not only for adults who work at a computer screen, but also the 54% of children that are reported to sleep near their phones, and 75% that sleep in a room that has TV on.
We decided to do our own research as to how blue light has personally affected students on the University of Alabama's campus. We've interviewed people with different habits regarding blue light, and I'm going to be interviewing someone who sleeps with their TV on at night in order to help them fall asleep, and I'm going to check and see how their mood and general sleep patterns are.
I enjoy falling asleep while watching my favorite TV shows, but I have noticed that I wake up feeling tired still and wanting to stay in bed for a couple more minutes. I never feel satisfied with the sleep I receive.
Haven't you heard about all the harmful effects blue light can have on our health, like blocking the chemical that makes you sleepy, melatonin?
Not. I will definitely have to consider the harmful effects that blue light may be causing me, especially while I sleep.
I interviewed a student at UA who does not sleep with the TV on to see if their mood or sleeping patterns were any different than a student who does sleep with the TV on. She revealed that normally she does not sleep with the TV on and generally has no issue with waking up and starting her day. She mentioned that her mood is usually consistent throughout the day and she doesn't have issues with energy. My next question was if she already knew about the harmful effects blue light can have on her health, such as the suppression of melatonin, which is vital for healthy sleep patterns and habits, and if this knowledge has influenced her decision to sleep with the TV on or off. Her response was that she had heard a few remarks about blue light and its effects on healthy sleep habits, and that she was curious herself to see if there was a noticeable difference. After experimenting, she discovered that when she did not sleep with the TV on, she woke up feeling energized and had no problem starting her day. When she did sleep with the TV on, she found herself hitting the snooze button multiple times, and she said it felt like she had to drag herself out of bed. She also mentioned that she had more of an urge to have a coffee just to be able to feel awake and ready for the day.
After the analysts of the data from our 2 interviews, we decided to look at the data we had received in order to compare their moods and sleeping patterns. Our data shows that the students who slept with the TV on showed more signs of restlessness and mood swings, while the students who slept without a TV had a more stable sleep schedule and better moods when waking up in the morning.
After seeing some real data from students, we wanted to inform everyone on how to protect themselves from blue light and discuss how much screen time is too much. We all love scrolling through social media and watching TV late at night, but by refraining from screen time after the sun is set, there have been proven benefits to our circadian rhythm. If this is not an option to you due to your occupation, you should try to take as many breaks as you can to let your eyes rest.
There are also screen filters that are designed to decrease the amount of blue light projected that is able to reach our retina, as well as glasses that can help to do the same thing by increasing the contrast through yellow tinted lenses. There are also anti-reflective lenses that are produced to reduce the amount of glare and increase the contrast, while simultaneously blocking blue light from both the sun and digital screens.
If someone has exhausted all of these options or has very severe reaction to blue light, there are intraocular lenses that can be placed in your eyes after contact surgery. Now, regarding to the surgery one, it is the least conventional way to fix the reactions to the blue light, but it is still an option.
Although blue light has been proven to have some serious negative side effects, the risks are not all imminent and should not be hyper-stressed over. There is no reason to severely limit yourself or completely change your daily routine, but it is something to be mindful and considerate of.
There is still so much more to discover regarding light therapy and the effects that light has on our body, specifically blue light. With that said, do not limit or completely change your life for something that still has so much research to be done. Life is all about assessing risks, and exposure to blue light is only one of those risks.
We still have so much to discover. Think of it as safety goggles. We may know the side effects at hand and may there can be more positive, more risk factors, but as society will grow, we can learn more about the blue ray.